Hey there, we are going to take our fermented leeks. For those of you that joined me on my harvesting video about the fermented leeks, it has now been 15 days. I was gonna wait 14 and I did wait 14 and now it's one more day. Thank you guys for joining me on the fermentation journeys. These have been fun. Leeks are one of my favorite things. Last year I did leeks with a little bit of garlic at the time. And there's something about fermented leeks and me that just believe in each other. We really do, and I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. We have fermented these in a 3% salt brine. Didn't get a lot because I got a little bit aggressive as far as harvesting leeks. I should have probably waited another month. It's been kind of hot. And last year I waited a little bit longer, but I just couldn't wait anymore. And you know, sometimes you're ready for fermented leeks. So here we go. Leeks. Very cloudy water. I'm gonna open this thing up. Smells great. No camis. Oh man, this is so good. Leeks. I got a mesh colander, searching for the word colander, and just a bowl. So all I'm trying to do is I'm trying to just pour the plant matter from the leeks, and those are gonna go in the blender. What really helped with the fermentation of these, I'm just getting all the plant matter out. Smells really good, that lovely lacto fermented sour flavor. So I've got a little bit of brine, not as much as I would have liked. So I'm gonna add a bunch. I'm gonna add like half of the brine. I'm pretty much gonna use it all because I'm gonna want this leek sauce to be really smooth. So normally what I'll do is I will go ahead and pulse and get it in the smoothie and then potentially taste it and then add some apple cider vinegar. I don't know, I want to wait on that. Just gonna put the rest of it in there. Definitely I'm gonna need it. We'll see. Let's go ahead and try this, and I'm gonna see if I want to add any vinegar or if I want to go ahead and go a little bit longer. Wow, that's powerful. That's pretty good. I think I want to add a little bit of vinegar. Not a lot, but just that acidic finish. It just gives it that little bit of like kick. It's nice. It's really tasty. It's really nice. It's bright, and then it has that stay with you leek goodness that is very hard to describe, that leeks kind of have in the allium family. They're just special. And I guess you don't realize till you get into alliums hardcore how special they really are, but there is, to me, something very special about the way leeks, and especially when they ferment, they have this really powerful taste that goes well with like so many things. Really nice, really savory. Excellent. Exactly what I thought. So I'm gonna get to bottling this. Leek fermented leek sauce, 5 ouncer. I'm gonna get probably 3 of these out of it. Normally I would get, 1.5 of the 12s that I do, but I like the little 5 ouncers. They're really nice. Go through the product. I'll store this in the refrigerator. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm really focused on mostly long form content about native plants, fermentations, harvests here in Zone 5, and annuals. Love all kinds of stuff. Just got my new greenhouse, but happy fermenting. It's one of the best things that has happened to me. I love the flavors, I love the digestive benefits, all those kind of things, and growing it in the garden, it's incredible. I highly recommend to anyone else out there watching this. So happy fermenting, everybody, and I'll meet you next on our onion sweet pepper ferment. Let's go.